Hello everyone, welcome back to Genius Knowledge Point, your one place for practical programming solutions for computer and IT students. I am making this video to provide practical knowledge to all students so that you can develop your own programs which will be helpful for your studies as well as career. In this video we will perform practical number 18 of Python programming, which is designed for case scheme of Diploma Computer and IT students who are studying in semester 4. And the topic in this video is to create and use a user-defined package for given problem. So first we have to understand what is a package. So package is the collection of multiple Python files which can be modules, and we can store them inside a single directory or single folder. So this is how we can create collection of multiple modules, and we can store those modules inside a single folder, and we can name that folder something, so that will become our package. So that folder is the package where we are storing multiple Python files or multiple modules. So this is how, if you are creating any project and you want multiple functionality related programs or multiple functionality related modules to multiple packages. So in that case, what you have to do, you have to create multiple folders and you have to store multiple Python modules according to their folders or the folder structure, so that you can organize them properly and you can call them with the proper package name. So this is how the package is created, and this is how we will be creating our package. So for that purpose we have to create one folder inside our system. So let us move to the practical related questions. First question is, explain how to create your own package in Python with appropriate example. So nothing is given here in the question, you just have to create any package and you have to consider it as proper example. So directly moving toward the code. So initially what we have to do, we have to go to the root directory of your structure or the folder structure. So in my case, practical 18 is the root directory where my main program will be. So now we have to create a package. So for that purpose I have created one folder and I have named that folder as a maths. So this is the package name where I will be storing some Python modules. So this folder is created. Then after that I will move to the text editor. So in that text editor I will be creating one module, so that is addition.py. so in that module or in that Python file, what I am doing, I am defining one function, that is def, then add, then in that parameter bracket I am passing two numbers, that is a comma b. So this will add two numbers and it will be returned. So this is the comment. So I am removing the comment, and after that I am stating return statement as return a plus b. So what it will do, it will return the addition of both the numbers as an output. So this is how the addition will be performed using this add function. Then while saving this program, what I have to do, I have to go to the location of the maths folder. So in this maths folder I am saving this file as addition.py. So this is how the package is created with named maths, and in that package I have stored one file as addition.py, which is performing addition of two numbers. So the first module is created inside package. Then I am creating one more file as subtraction.py, and again I am defining function as def subtract. Again I am passing two variables here, two parameters, a comma b. Then I am returning a minus b. So I am subtracting both the numbers and returning the output using return statement. So this is how this module is subtracting two numbers and it will return the output as subtraction. So this is how again this module is created, and again while saving this module, what I have to do, I have to go to the location of the maths folder, because we have to store this module inside this maths folder. So in maths folder you can see subtraction.py is saved. Now to create a main program, what we have to do, you have to go to your root directory. So in my case, practical 18 folder is my root directory, and in this folder I will be creating my main program. So now what is the coding of main program, let us see. So while creating main program, we have to import those packages and we have to import those modules inside the packages. So for that purpose we have to write a statement as from maths.addition. So automatically it will search addition module inside this maths package. So that's why I have written maths.addition and import add. So it will import the add function from this addition module, and which is stored inside this maths package. So that's why I have put dot after this maths.addition. So next Again I am using one more import statement as from maths.subtraction import subtract. So what I am doing using these two statements, I am importing add and subtract function from these two modules which are stored inside these maths packages. So why I am naming it maths? Because we have already seen in previous video that math package is already present inside your Python system. So you cannot name it as math because math package is inbuilt package. So you have to name it differently. So I am naming it as maths. So after that, both the functions are imported inside your program, which is main program. And after that, I am using num1 as variable is equal to int input enter number 1. So user will enter some number here and that will be converted into integer format and stored into num1 variable. Similarly for num2, user will enter number 2 and that will be stored into num2 using integer format. Then after that, I am using one variable as result underscore add is equal to add in bracket num1 comma num2. So I am using add function which we have imported from maths.addition module, and I am using this add function, that is I am calling this add function and passing num1 and num2 as parameters. So automatically the addition will happen here and that value will be returned and stored into this result underscore add variable. Similarly for result underscore sub, I am using subtract function which we have imported from maths.subtraction module. So again I am passing two parameters as num1 comma num2. So the subtraction will be calculated here and that value will be stored into this result underscore sub. So finally you have to just print output. So I am printing first statement as addition result as a message, and after that I am attaching result underscore add, so it will display the value which we have calculated here. Then again I am using second print statement to display subtraction result and attaching result underscore sub value. So both the values will be displayed here as addition and subtraction will be calculated and the output will be printed here. So the coding is complete. So to run this program we have to go to the root directory. So in my case practical 18 folder is the root directory, and I have to run this main.py because we have already imported the packages and the modules inside this main.py. So we don't have to run these modules inside the maths package. So to run the program I have to open cmd first. Opening cmd here, then the command is py main.py. So it is asking me to enter number 1, so I am entering 50 as a number 1. The number 2 is asked, then I am entering 30 as number 2. You can see the addition result is printed as 80 and subtraction result is printed as 20. So according to the calculation the output is right, and we have successfully used the package here. We have imported modules from the package and we have imported functions from those modules properly. So this is how this question is ended, and also practical number 18 is completed, which was regarding using or creating a user defined package. And in that program what we have created our own package. We have stored some modules inside those packages, we have created functions inside those modules, and we have successfully imported the modules and functions from the packages into our main program, and we have run the coding accordingly. So this is how this practical is complete here. So that's it for today's practical. I hope you understand the program clearly. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such programming solutions, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. If you have any doubts or need solutions for other programs, drop a comment below. I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and happy coding.